Hey guys, what's up? I went to Ottawa and I have a squishy haul for you. Okay, so first, I got these eggs. They're 4 eggs. They're called squeezy eggs. It comes with a little egg curtain. It's so cute. Now I'm gonna keep this egg curtain or turn it into a craft. And there's 4 of them, and they're little. And the yolk is an orange DNA ball. Okay. Next, I have this little dinosaur slow rising squishy. It's like a little desk pet. He's super cute. Okay, next, this is weird. I have this little sand squishy. And just listen. ASMR. Okay, and then I have, oh my goodness. I got these little ice cube squishies, and they have fruit charms in them. See? There's a bunch of different ones, and they're little Taba squishies. And yeah, there's 5 of them. 5 or 6. I think there's 5. And that's all I got. Bye guys.